Welcome to the Town Hall celebration for your 9th character equation. Self-control plus purpose equals resilience. Thanks to you, our learning team and our whole school is more resilient. Self-control plus purpose equals resilience. So congratulations! You've completed all the lessons about the 9th character equation. Just like the Dolphins, with their amazing self-control and purpose, you have made helpful choices to be resilient. Learning to be resilient is one of the foundations of being happy for your whole life. Let's see what we remember about our 9th character equation. Who remembers what 2 character traits make resilience? What was the first character trait? Pause the video if you need time to think. Yes, self-control. What is the next character trait? Yes, purpose. These 2 character traits together make resilience. Now, we want to hear from you. Can you think of a time when you've been focusing on this character equation and you learned, loved, or even led by using this equation of self-control plus purpose equals resilience? Pretend like you're calling to tell me about it. Then raise your hand if you want to share with everyone in the group. Pause the video so you have time to share your thoughts with one another. It is truly awesome how you've all been working hard to help make our school a better place for you and all your friends and teachers by using these character traits. Using self-control while you remember the purpose in each situation leads to resilience in all that you do each day. This is something you can use your whole life, and this choice makes for a brighter future for you and all those you care about. Now it's time to celebrate. Each of you will now receive your self-control plus purpose equals resilience cards and badges. Don't forget to take a class picture in front of the photo wall. Congratulations on finishing all 9 of the character equations. I'll see you next year as we keep building character together, because every good choice builds resilient skills, meaningful friendships, and a healthy, happy life for you and everyone you care about. And don't forget, if you need a refresher on how to make your best choices in your own life, you can go back and watch the Healthy, Happy, Free videos. Until next time, keep making choices that include all 3 to be healthy, happy, and free.